Hey, what's up, YouTube? Good afternoon from Nagoya, Japan. Yeah, so today's plan is to go check out Nagoya Castle. Yeah, it's gonna take one day to do some tourist stuff while I'm here. It's really the only tourist place I wanted to visit. I saw the temple yesterday. That was like the other thing I kind of wanted to see. And I just happened to walk by it. I wasn't even planning it, but I happened to walk by it, but I didn't have my camera with me, so I filmed some short little clips on my phone. But yeah, today I will make a full video about Nagoya Castle. I took a sleeping pill last night, and I'm still kind of like not fully there, I guess. But hopefully I could grab some food and maybe it'll help me feel better. But yeah, that's the plan. I will see you guys in a bit. Alright, just finished eating McDonald's. I didn't want to film in there. It's too crowded, but yeah, I was trying to get a McNugget meal. But yeah, what I could tell is it's only available as a Happy Meal. But that's what it looked like. I don't know. Maybe I didn't look hard enough. But it looked like it was only available as a Happy Meal. I'm on my way to the train station. I'm out of cash, so I heard I could tap my credit card for the train, but not sure. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna go have to get some cash. Alright, as I suspected, it's cash only. The little reader doesn't accept the credit card. Alright, I'm looking for an ATM. The lady said it's on the left, so and they don't accept my card. Damn, alright. How do I get this stuff? this one.
Welcome.
Damn, they only let you take out 10,000 at a time. I only needed 2,000. I forgot where the hell I was. Sumimasen. Is this Meijo?
Major, turn right over there, please.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
All fare information will be displayed in English.
Okay, let's see. Finally figured it out. Alright, made it. It's cool, it just drops you off right in front of it. Or right next to it at least. The entrance is over there. Ninjas and shit. like a bunch of students are on a field trip here. It's very crowded in front of it. There's not that many people here. Actually at the castle. Maybe they're probably done. It's gonna close. Closes at 4:30. It's like 1 something right now. Hello. Is it free entry?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Thank you. It's free today. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, on the internet it said 500 yen. I had my 500 yen ready here. Nice. I have to take off my jacket, it's too fucking hot. I wonder who this guy is. Oh, okay, he built the castle, I guess. Alright, there's the entrance to the actual castle. Oh, is there an entrance? Oh, okay, okay. You need to buy a ticket for the castle. Here's the 500. Put all my coins in my jacket. One ticket?
はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。And imagine just like staying on these grounds your whole life. It's very beautiful, but I'll get so bored. I wasn't able to leave. Wow. That's good. It's amazing. Temple? What is this? Oh, it's the palace. Official entrance to the palace. Very cool. Check out the rest of this piece. Oh, it's probably the exit. Hey, don't tell me there's another fee. What's going on? Okay. I don't think it's a fee. There's like a